Alright. Alright, today we're doing a double unboxing of the Horizon Hobby Axial SCX24 1/24 scale electric 4x4 rock crawler. I have the deadbolt.
And I have the C10.
Alright, let's dig in. Got the charger here, batteries, some extra parts.
And a bubble wrapped AX for 24 gigahertz transmitter. Here we go. I don't want to hit the tires when I'm opening this.
Some directions. The connector guide. Batteries. XP. Suspension arms and part of a drive shaft. Extra pin. Registration card.
That's probably for the copyright. Or that's actually just for the...
Cool free brand swag. Just for registering a new Horizon Hobby brand product.
Box packaging.
Alright, I'll do a close up here. Well, I hope you know, we should probably pull the lid off of at least one of them, right?
Yeah, the lid actually flips up off of the truck, which is probably, it has its pros and cons. Take a look at that. Nice Velcro strap on the battery here. Motors down here. Has a worm screw.
The axles have got the worm screw, right?
Yeah.
Got LEDs. Everything was included in the packaging to use it, even the
See
batteries.
the copyright right there for the lid.
Oh, yeah. So it's officially licensed. C10, 1967. I don't know what this... Mine does not appear to be licensed.
Well, this is like the C10 model.
Alright, cool. Well, tell us what you think of our first dual unboxing video.